really what this conference did for me is it really showed me that key to every single space in our economy is the construction sector. So while we choose various enablers or areas, whether it be electricity, water, or whether it be the IDZ in Saldanha Bay, or whether it be new hotels in the tourism space, construction fits across all of those spaces.
I think the construction sector has a particular dynamic where you need large companies to be able to deliver on the biggest projects. Only the biggest construction companies have the working capital and the financial clout to be able to manage really large government projects. But then at the same time, you have to make sure your industry is open to competition and to startups and to small businesses. And that's a challenge for the construction sector, striking the balance there, maintaining the profitability and the viability of large players, whilst also making sure that the market remains open to new entrants.
Every time we obviously attend an expo like this, the hope is to get key decision makers to pass by, to explain the value of the product to them. Architects, we long for the architects to stop by to make sure we can explain to them how to specify the product.
I think we have to be here is to represent ourselves in the industry and to stand out as one of the leaders in the plant tire industry. We need to participate in this.
The Cape Construction Expo has been very good for us. Also in line with our new strategy, we've launched a few new products over the last couple of years and services. So it's very good for us to showcase those services to the public at large.
So far so good. Our primary focus in terms of why we wanted to attend the Expo was one of our divisions at NOSA provides working at heights training and services and solutions around that particular risk. And that's what we're really trying to promote here within NOSA, amongst our other services as well.
Our most recent launch would be our OptiDrive 360, which is built into our web interface. So basically it will coach your drivers on how to drive the vehicles via our navigation devices that we have. So we look at things like green speed, constant speed, gear shifting in optimal percentages, so that we can generate a score on how your drivers are driving the vehicle, and also ensure that drive the vehicles properly so you can drive down your cost of your fuel and your productivity of the guys. Oh, it's been great. I mean, it's a very focused market space that we came to join over here. We found it very lucrative for us. So overall, it's been great. We've loved it.
Winde van der Merwe is a law firm specializing in construction litigation. We have offices in Bellville and offices in Bedfordview in Johannesburg. We started about a year and a half ago. We have 8 attorneys and 4 directors. This is a good place to come out and meet up-and-coming contractors, so whether it's from the subcontractors to the suppliers to the main contractors. We've met pretty much everybody in the sphere here over the last 2 days, and that is, at the end of the day, being an attorney is about people.
It has been a very good experience. We've had some very good feed coming through and spoke to lots of our clients and new clients as well. So we're very happy.